Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be installing the Boomerang Armrest into the RSX. Now I believe these guys are discontinued. Sometimes they come back, sometimes they don't. Right now we're in kind of a phase, I guess, or maybe permanent, that the Boomerang Armrests aren't coming back. They're not on their website, and every single other place like Amazon is sold out of them, and they don't know when they're going to get them back in stock. So I actually bought this one used off of someone, and you see there, black, opens up, you got the inside right there. He threw in the screws, so the screws are right here as well, and you can see Boomerang Armrest. There are some armrests that they make for the RSX that go in between the seats, like so, and drops down. They bolt up to the stock seats, I guess. I don't really want to drill into any seats, and this just seemed like the most OEM looking option. So where this goes is actually just right here, just like so. And now you have a factory armrest, and then you can either leave it in like that, or you can actually drill it in so that doesn't wiggle around or anything like that. In order to do that, you'll have to take off this rubber lining on the inside, if you can see that. Probably just take like a flat head, pull that off, and then drill those two screw holes into the center console, which I'm going to go ahead and do right now. And I'll come back and show you guys how that looks. So you don't have to take out this little piece of rubber that goes there. But the reason I am is because if I ever choose to take this off and I don't want it anymore, I don't want to be able to see the holes there. So there will be holes in the plastic, but this rubber will essentially cover up the holes. This goes just like so, and I recommend to do this installation with the brake down. That goes in just like that, and then we'll reach in with the drill with probably some kind of extension and drill the two screws there on the bottom. Alright, and there we go, two screws are in, thing is locked in there, and there we go, there is the armrest. That feels incredibly comfortable. I could see myself getting very lazy on road trips with this armrest. And then e-brake does come up real close next to it, so you can't open it and look inside, but it just pops open like that. You store your things in there, close it, and we can call that good. Super simple project, super nice looking. Definitely love the look of it. I just feel like this will look a lot nicer and essentially hide everything, especially like at car shows and whatnot. But super simple, just use the drill, screw those screws in. It should only take like 5 minutes, but this is definitely like more of a review video for you guys. Definitely love this. I mean, I wish I would have bought one brand new back when they still had them, but at least I got one. I mean, there's fairly great condition. There's like starting to be like some wear over here, but yeah, I guess I can always replace the leather in time, so it's not the end of the world. But yeah, it looks very nice, very comfortable, and I'll show you guys what it looks like from the passenger or the driver door into the car. And there we go. There is the whole look of it. Definitely looks OEM. It looks like it should have been there. I know on long road trips on this car, you can put your elbow like right here as a rest, but this side you don't have anything. You're just hanging out there. Your arm's just hanging out or on the shifter or something. So it'll be nice to have something to rest your arm on. But yeah, it looks fantastic. Super simple. It should only take like 5 minutes. But if you guys have any questions, let me know. Drop a like, comment below, subscribe for future videos, and we'll see you next time. Peace.